Good morning student. In today video I am giving you some extra question. Okay, this is very important question. Find a and b if first question in that is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 is equal to a plus b root 3. Means this left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we have to find the value of a and b. So for this, now here you have to take left hand side and you have to solve it means here see the denominator root 3 plus 1, so it is irrational, so you have to rationalize the left hand side and then you have to equate with a plus b root 3. Let us see, we will do it. So you have to take left hand side, so I am taking left hand side. So here root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Here root 3 plus 1 is the denominator, which is an irrational number. So you have to rationalize it. So rationalized factor of root 3 plus 1 is root 3 minus 1. That means in the last example we had seen, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with the rationalizing factor of the denominator, that is root 3 minus 1 and root 3 minus 1. Now see here, root 3 minus 1 term are same, root 3, 1, 1, and there is a minus sign. So if you are multiplying root 3 minus 1 with the same binomial, that is root 3 minus 1, it will become root 3 minus 1 whole square, and this one we will write as it is root 3 plus 1 multiply with root 3 minus 1. I'm writing up here. Now I'm starting. Now root 3 minus 1 whole square means second identity. So it will be a square. Here root 3 will be a and 1 will be b. So root 3 square minus 2ab. A is root 3 into b, that is 1, plus that is b square, that is 1 square. Identity second. Then denominator is, we can take root 3 as a, so a plus b into a minus b. So it is the third identity, which is equal to a square minus b square. So I am here, a is root 3. So I am writing here root 3 square, that is a square minus b square. B is 1. Now root 3 square is 3. Already we have seen in the last example. Minus 2 root 3 and 1 square is 1 upon root 3 whole square is 3 and 1 square is 1. Now here 3 plus 1 constant term will be 4. 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2. Now this is, we have taken left hand side. Okay. Now I am taking another step. So here see numerator 2 is common. So I will take 2 common. What will remain? 2. And here 2 is common. Root 3 will be uncommon factor upon 2. So here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So it will be 2 minus root 3. Now this will be equal to right hand side, which is a plus b root 3. Now you have to compare this. So here first term is a, here first term is 2. So a will be equal to 2. Here second term is b root 3. And here second term is minus root 3. So here this root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled. Here nothing means 1 is always factor. So b value will be minus 1. Now question second, again we have to find the value of a and b. So same process we have to repeat. 7 plus 4 root 3. It is a irrational number. So you have to rationalize it. So you have to again take left hand side. So left hand side 5 plus 2 root 3 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. Now denominator we have to rationalize. So rationalizing factor of 7 plus 4 root 3 will be 7 minus 4 root 3. So you have to multiply numerator and denominator with 7 minus 4 root 3. Here also 7 minus 4 root 3. Now multiply 5 plus numerator with numerator, 5 plus 2 root 3 multiply with 7 minus 4 root 3. We can't use here any identity. Now here down 7 plus 4 root 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3. Now in numerator all terms are different, so it is we have to use here binomial multiply with binomial, means 2 term multiplying with the expression having 2 terms. So here 5 will get multiplied with this whole second binomial, that is 7 minus 4 root 3, and second term, that is plus 2 root 3, will get multiplied again with the second whole binomial, that is 7 minus 4 root 3. And here in denominator you see the terms are same, 7 7 4 root 3 4 root 3. So here we can use the third identity, a plus b into a minus b. So it will be a square, that is 7 square, because a is 7, minus b square, b is 4 root 3, so it's whole square. Now solve this. You have to solve here directly binomial. You have to multiply monomial with binomial, that is distributive property. Just open the bracket, 5 will get multiplied with the each term inside the bracket. So 5 into 7 plus into minus, minus 5 into 4 root 3 plus, now again distributive property, 2 root 3 multiply with the first term, that is 7, then plus into minus, minus 2 root 3 multiply with 4 root 3, and now denominator 7 square is 49 and 4 square is 16 and root 3 square is 3. Now 5 into 7 35 minus 5 into 4 20 root 3 plus 2 into 7 14 root 3, and here minus, now 2 4s are 8 and root 3 will get multiplied with root 3, that is root 3 square. So root 3 square will be 3 upon 49 minus 16 into 3 48. Now here 35 and here constant number is there, so I will take here 8 into 3 24, and here minus 20 root 3 plus 14 root 3 upon 1. 49 minus 48 1. Now 35 minus 24 11. Now here minus 20 root 3 plus 14 root 3. So here root 3 we are taking common, and minus 20 plus 14. Minus 20 plus 14 will be minus 6. So minus 6 root 3 upon 1. Normally we are not writing. This will be equal to right hand side. This will be equal to right hand side, that is a plus b root 3. So this will be equal to a plus b root 3. Now equate. Now here first term 11 and first term is a. So a will be equal to 11. Here first second term is b root 3. It will be equal to minus 6 root 3. So here root 3 will get cancelled. So b value will be minus 6. Now question third. This different question. Simplify. You have to simplify this. Root 5 minus 2 upon root 5 plus 2 minus root 5 plus 2 upon root 5 minus 2. So if I will take this will be the, like last problem we have solved, this will be the one of that problem, and this will be the, you can say, second problem. So you can solve this separately or you can solve this together. So you have to rationalize the denominator. Here denominator is root 5 plus 2, so it is a irrational, we have to rationalize. Now see how to do. So first I am writing this root 5 minus 2 upon root 5 plus 2. Here denominator is root 5 plus 2, so the rationalizing factor of this denominator will be root 5 minus 2. Okay, so I will multiply numerator and denominator with root 5 minus 2 upon root 5 minus 2. So this is one example. This is only for this. Now minus sign is there. Now here root 5 plus 2 upon root 5 minus 2. Okay, so now denominator is root 5 minus 2. So rationalizing factor will be root 5 plus 2. So multiply numerator as well as denominator with root 5 plus 2. Now this you solve separately so that there is no confusion in. Now here root 5 minus 2 into root 5 minus 2. Okay, I will write here. Here terms are same, sign is also same. So you can take whole square, and here root 5 plus 2 into root 5 minus 2. Here minus, this will also multiply. Root 5 plus 2 into root 5 plus 2. And here you can take this as a square bracket. So this will be round bracket. Again here root 5 minus 2 into root 5 plus 2 square bracket. Now here numerator, terms are same, sign is also same, and minus sign is there. So second identity, that is a minus b whole square. Okay, so better I will write here a minus b, that is root 5 minus 2 whole square upon root 5 plus 2 into root 5 minus 2. Here square bracket. Again this I can write, terms are same both, and there is a plus sign, so I will write here root 5 plus 2 whole square, means first identity, and here root 5 minus 2 into root 5 plus 2. Now use the second identity here. It is a minus b whole square, second identity. So here root 5 will be a and b will be 2. So it will be a square, that is root 5 square, minus 2 into a, that is root 5, into b, that is 2, plus b square, that is 2 square, upon, this is a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So it will become root 5 whole square minus 2 square. Now minus sign, you can take this also in bracket. Now here a plus b whole square, so it will be equal to a square, that is root 5 is a, so a square, that is root 5 square, plus 2 into a, that is root 5, into b, that is 2, plus b square, that is 2 square, upon, then it is a minus b into a plus b, again third identity. So it will be a square, that is root 5 square, minus b square, that is 2 square. Now root 5 square will be 5. Here 2 into 2, 4, 4 root 5, and 2 square will be 4, upon square root of 5 square will be 5, and 2 square will be 4, minus. Now root 5 square will be 5, plus 2 into 2, 4, so it will be 4 root 5, plus 4, and denominator will be root 5 whole square will be 5, and here 2 square will be 4. Now solve this. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 minus 4 root 5, and 5 minus 4, 1. Here 5 plus 4, 9, plus 4 root 5, and upon 5 minus 4 also here 1. So normally we are not writing denominator 1. Okay, so here 9 minus 4 root 5. Here minus sign is there, so you have to open the bracket. So each term inside the bracket, their sign will change. So here minus into plus, minus, so minus 9, and minus into plus, again minus 4 root 5. Here plus 9 and minus 9 will get cancelled. Here minus 4 root 5 and minus 4 root 5. So here sign are same, minus 4 minus 4, it will become minus 8, and root 5 will be common. So your answer will be minus 8 root 5.